Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my JYO18 pocket drone. This drone is like I said, it's a pocket drone, and I bought it from a online store. It's a good thing it was really cheap. So I usually don't do unboxing, but let's try it out. Okay, so it's made in China, and this is the manual, I guess. So let's see. Okay, it is foldable, like it's really portable to carry. It has an adjustable camera and it can easily be used by a cell phone. So without any delay, let's open our drone. Jeez, I'm from an online store. Whoa man, let's just check it out, man. Wow, that's a good packing. Let's open it up. Wow, just look at the beauty, man. I'm really sorry for the background noise. That noise is from my air conditioner. And what the other things are, it's a manual. I think that is a battery, a pair of propeller. Yeah, let's remove this. I think this is a battery. And let's see in a drone where to fix it. It's weird I'm doing it. If you guys enjoy the video, because do leave it a like, because this is my first time I'm doing unboxing. So I think it goes over here. Yeah, wow, it look good. So before we get to look our drone, let's see the other parts. It comes with the, wow, nice, they gave me 4 propellers. That's a good thing. And I don't know what is this for. And so this is a charger, a USB port charger, as you can see. So let's get to our drone. So this is our drone. Let's keep it inside. So yeah, this is our drone, and this is how we unbox. Oh sorry, I'm already unboxed it. This is how it's really easy to be unfolded. Wow, so this part is adjustable, like they said you can do down and up. Wow. Due to pocket drone, it has a really small camera of 2 megapixel, I guess, like 2 megapixel or low, I guess, I don't know. It's really light in the weight, as I bought it from it cost me $2 and it was really cheap. So let's turn this baby on. Oh, I think I have to press it on. So it's recording. Just give me a second, I have to cut the lights. This is how it looks at night, and it looks pretty good. Yeah, wow, it's not so bright. Like as a pocket drone, it doesn't have a lot of lights. So let's open the app. So I got So I got the app in my mobile phone. So in order to get the app drone flying, you need to download this app. It's from Apple in the not Apple store, goddammit, in the main store, and you can just go on to play and the drone. It's really, and it's me. But in order to connect, you have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Just give me a sec. Oh, not Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. No. Yeah, the one which says Wi-Fi. This model, and you can choose your own. I think so. It comes with the different models, I guess. So let's go into it. Was a yeah. This was the app. So let's play, and you can see my drone is connected. And why am I blurring out? The drone is connected. It's showing dark light. And I think so I might get, you can see the drone is showing, yeah, the light. You can see me. No, you cannot see me because of darkness. It's too darkness. So let's get our drone started. Whoa, easy there, pal. So this is how it starts. you just yeah, the drone is working. So let's it has an auto wrong light. So it has an auto, like whenever it lands or gets dropped, it automatically turns on the light. As you can see the drone, I can see my recording. Yep, that's the recording. That's my channel. And let's put it down and let's see the whistle. I hope I don't get my... Have I told you guys this is my first drone? This is my first drone. Like, this is the first drone I ever bought. I wish I could have enough money to get a new drone. I'm desperate to get a new drone. So if you want to do an unboxing video of another drone, do subscribe my channel. I'll do an unboxing for another one. This one looks, oh, looks beautiful. Oh, it turns off because it cannot levitate, and the no blipping means it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Wow, that came up late. So if you guys want to see more of this drone, like I made it a vlog of this drone when I visited one place. So you want to see the result and the performance of the drone, you can click on the video showing right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and before you leaving, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and do visit my channel. So all you need to do, go to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon. That bell icon helps the most. See this, guys? Notification from Azim. Save it, and you are a part of Azimers. I will do more of a unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Azim. Up till then, stay blessed, stay Azim. So hope you guys have watched my vlog of the quality of drone. It literally crashed many times, but it's really durable and it can take hard hits. As you can see, it faced the wall also, but the fans are literally not even damaged or not scratched at all. So I really forgot to tell you, it came with a pocket. Like, as you can see, I can easily carry my drone anywhere where I want. Turn it off at least. When you have to turn it off, you have to depress it. Yeah, it's off. Like for I guess 3 to 4 seconds, and you can easily carry it anywhere you want. You carry your cell phone, right? So you can carry it in your pocket. That's what the name said, the pocket drone. So as you can see, this cool bag was given to me. If you want to buy this drone, you can get it from the online store, any online store, or check it out in the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you're enjoying the video. I'm Azim. Stay blessed, stay Azim.